Namaste. I am Soumya Keshavnath, one of the Bharatnatyam dance teachers at Heels Dance Academy. Today, Anusha and I will be presenting to you a theory discussion on Nritta, Nritya and Natya. Now, before we jump into the discussion, we would like to introduce to you to the concept of Margam. What is a Margam? A Margam is a path followed or a course followed. It is one full detailed course wherein the dance pieces are performed in a traditional pattern. This concept was established in the 18th century. The Margam is designed by the great Tanjavur Quartet. According to the legendary dancer T.S. Balasaraswati, the traditional order of Bharatnatyam, Alaripu, Jatiswaram, Shabdam, Varnam, Padam, Tillana, followed by a Shlok, is the correct sequence of revealing the spiritual through the corporeal. She compares Bharatnatyam to a grandly structured temple. The first dance piece of the Margam is Alaripu. It literally means the blooming of flowers. It is done at the beginning of the Margam to prepare the body and the limbs to perform the more difficult dance pieces that follow. Alaripu is usually done in 3 speeds. After Alaripu, we have Jatiswaram. It is executed with a combination of swara passages in a particular rhythmic pattern. It is pure dance and has no abhinaya. Jatiswaram begins with a Tirmanam, followed by Pallavi, Anupallavi, and ends with a Charanam. Followed by Jatiswaram, we have Shabdam. It is the first dance piece which introduces us to the concept of Abhinaya. Shabdam is usually done in Mishra Chapu Tal and in the praise of Lord Krishna. Abhinaya in this is simple Sahitya separated by Korvais. Next we have Varnam. Varnam is a scholarly piece that is taught at the peak of one's Bharatnatyam training. There are 2 types of Varnams, Padavarnam and Tanavarnam. Varnam consists of Nayakas and Nayikas. Varnam is a test of a true dancer's skill and mastery in both technique as well as Abhinaya. Followed by Varnam, we have Padam. Padam is purely expressional. It is completely Nayika based. The dialogues between Nayaka and Nayika, Nayika and the Lord, Nayika and her Sakhi. It has intense Abhinaya and it is in medium tempo. The concluding piece of the recital is Tillana. It is full of sculpturesque movements and Nritta patterns. Pure Nritta combines with Lasya movements to form beautiful and graceful movements of the Tillana. Towards the end of the Tillana, there is a small Abhinaya piece, usually in praise of the Lord.
Hello everyone. We are now going to go into the depth of Nritta, Natya and Nritya. To understand what Nritta is, it is basically defined as pure dance. It is the bodily movements in which usually emotions are not given any kind of importance, and it is more of a combination of intricate footwork and hand gestures. The main components of Nritta are the Tal and the Laya, that is the rhythm and the time space. It is usually a combination of movements like Karnas, Charis, Utplavanas, Bhramaris, etc. So there are Korvais, that is a combination of addos, Tirmanam, that is fast set addos. Then there are Bhramaris, that are the whirling movements, Utplavanas, such as all the jumping movements, the Charis, such as the walking movements, and Karnas are another set of graceful movements. Nritta is usually further divided into 4, Chari, Mandala, Angahara and Karnas, and the Anga, that is the body, is divided into 3, Anga, Pratyanga and the Upanga. Body is divided into 3, the Anga, the Pratyanga and the Upanga. The Anga includes the head, the chest, the waist, the bottom and the legs. Then the Pratyanga includes body parts such as the shoulder, the stomach, arms, knees, and the thighs, whereas the Upanga consists of the face, that is eyebrows, eyeballs, chin, tongue, nose, cheeks, etc. There are basically 13 Nritta Hastas, and there are about few Anga Lakshanas such as the Shirobhed, Drishti Bhed, Griva Bhed, Mandala Bhed, Pada Bhed, Sthanaka Bhed, Gati Bhedas, Charis, Brahmaris, which are usually used while composing a Nritta item. Some very common examples of Nritta items are the Alaripu, Jatiswaram, and the Tillana. The second type is the Natya. Natya is the total opposite of Nritta. Where Nritta is more of bodily movements, Natya is totally expressions. Most importance is given to Abhinay, the Bhava, and the Rasa. Natya includes mime, action, drama. It is actually the definition of the two words in Tamil, Isai and Natya, that is literature and drama. There are 4 types of Abhinay which play a very important role in Natya. The 4 types are Vachika, Satvika, Aharya, and Angika. Angika Abhinay. Angika Abhinay is the usage of the body and the hand gestures. As we earlier stated in Nritta, it is the movements of the Anga, Pratyanga, and the Upanga. That is using the waist, the shoulders, the nodding of the head, movement of the knees, etc. Then comes Vachika Abhinay, that is speech and music. The music of Bharatnatyam has a very great impact on the dance. The musicians usually sit on the right side of the performer, and the live music and the rich Carnatic music adds a lot of flavor to the dance. It also helps to enhance the expressions of the dancer and makes it easy for her to express. Then comes Aharya Abhinay. It gives importance to the costume, the makeup, and the jewelry. The elaborate costume, makeup, and jewelry of Bharatnatyam is very unique, and it adds a lot to the dance performance. The expressions are much more enhanced because of the beautiful silk sari costume, which is in the form of a pant. It has beautiful fans and a choli. The beautiful jewelry of South such as the Talai Saman, the Surya, the Chandra, Matal, Jhimki, and the Odiyanam, and the makeup such as elaborate eye makeup, etc. makes the expressions much more beautiful. Then comes the Satvika Abhinay, that is of the psychic state. It is more about the mind and what the dancer internalizes while she is performing. The tears she expresses while she is on stage, then the loss of color on the face is what is expressed through Satvika Abhinay. Any performance devoid of Satvika Abhinay is equal to soulless dancing. Abhinay is the most important aspect of a Bharatnatyam performance, and some beautiful examples in the Margam of Abhinay are the Varnam and the Padams. The third aspect is Nritya. It is a combination of Nritta, that is just bodily movements, and Natya, that is the expressions, the Bhava and the Rasa. So Nritya usually includes complex footwork as well as expressions. A very good example of a Nritya item is the famous Kirtanam Natana Madinar. It starts with Korvais and rhythmic patterns, and then towards the end there are verses praising Lord Shiva.